In this video, we're diving deep into the Six-Figure Creator Program, a coaching community that claims it can help you build a six-figure online business through TikTok Shop. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you learn more about courses that we've been through on the internet. Now, there are a ton of programs out there promising six-figure results. Some are packed with real strategy. Others just recycle generic content you can find on YouTube. So today, we're unpacking what makes the Six-Figure Creator Program, or 6FC, different. What's inside, how the community works, and what it actually costs, and whether the hype really matches the reality. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect before you spend $1 on it. The good, the bad, and the realistic middle ground. What is the Six-Figure Creator Program? The Six-Figure Creator Program isn't just an online course. It's positioned as a full coaching ecosystem with over 6,000 creators inside, one of the largest TikTok Shop affiliate communities online. The idea is simple. Instead of trying to figure out how to make money online on your own, you join a network of people all doing the same thing, creating short form content to promote TikTok Shop products and earning commissions every time someone buys through your link. Inside, you get expert-led courses taught by creators who've generated millions in TikTok Shop sales, daily live coaching calls with experienced mentors who actually review your content in real time, community support, challenges, and leaderboards to keep you motivated, exclusive brand deals that give you early access to higher commission products and partnerships. Who created the program? So the program is run by a group of successful social media entrepreneurs under the Six-Figure Creator brand. Their coaches, often called the 10x $1 million GMV coaches, have collectively driven millions in gross merchandise volume through TikTok Shop. So you're not learning from some random influencers who went viral once. These are creators who've built real, repeatable systems. Their philosophy is that you don't need a massive audience. You just need a proven framework, consistent content, and accountability. That mindset carries through the whole community. Inside the program, courses and structure. The training is divided into several key courses and pathways, each tackling a different stage of growth. Number 1, beginner roadmap, 12-week foundation. So this is the onboarding course that walks total beginners through TikTok Shop from zero to launch. You'll learn how to set up your TikTok Shop affiliate account, get approved even if you're a small creator. Yes, there are workarounds. Create your first videos and start applying for product partnerships. It's highly structured with worksheets, checklists, and live feedback sessions. Number 2, copy and paste viral. Once you're set up, this course focuses on what most creators actually struggle with, making content that converts. You'll learn how to write hooks, plan your first 5 seconds, use trending audio, and craft videos that drive sales. They even give you video templates and viral examples that you can literally model your structure after. This way, you're not staring at a blank screen. 3, bottom of the funnel 101. This one's about converting viewers into commissions. It dives into how to optimize your TikTok Shop listings, how to do live selling, and how to close on camera without feeling salesy. It's surprisingly practical, walking you through how to take orders, respond to comments, and keep your audience engaged during a live stream. Number 4, scaling with systems. Once you start generating consistent commissions, this course shows you how to scale and automate. You'll learn how to hire editors, use AI tools to streamline your workflow, organize your content calendar, and delegate repetitive tasks using the provided SOPs. It's about working smarter, not posting endlessly without a plan. 5, Millionaire Mindset 4-day event. This is the program's motivational core. So each morning there are mindset calls that help creators reframe limiting beliefs, build confidence on camera, and stay consistent. Many students say that this is the secret weapon that keeps them from burning out when results take time. Daily coaching calls and live feedback. Now, this is one of the most hyped up parts of the program, and to be fair, it's a huge differentiator. Instead of pre-recorded videos with no accountability, 6FC hosts live calls every single day. During these sessions, you can get your TikTok account reviewed by top coaches, have your content scripts edited live, watch others' audits and learn from their feedback, ask questions directly to mentors who've already made 6 figures through TikTok Shop. Most programs offer weekly Q&As at best. 6FC literally has daily group calls to keep you on track. That level of consistency is rare. Competitions, challenges, and rewards. Something that sets this community apart is how interactive it is. Every month, there are competitions and blitz challenges with real prizes, from cash bonuses to iPhones, MacBooks, and other gear. They use leaderboards and progress tracking to keep things fun and high energy, which helps creators push harder and stay accountable. It's not just about grinding alone. There's real camaraderie, and that can make a huge difference in motivation. The community experience. The Six-Figure creator Discord community is massive, with over 6,000 active members and counting. Inside, creators share screenshots of commissions, video ideas and hooks that performed well, brand collaboration leads, questions about TikTok algorithms and updates. It's an environment built on collaboration rather than competition. Exclusive brand deals and affiliate network. One of the program's biggest perks is its exclusive partner network. 6FC members get direct access to brand deals and higher commission opportunities that aren't available to the public TikTok shop database. That means more chances to promote trending or high margin products early before the market gets crowded. Some members even land retainer deals with brands, which creates recurring income instead of just one-off commissions. If you're serious about making this a business rather than a side hustle, that's a big advantage. Tools, templates, and SOPs. Instead of telling you just post more, the program provides plug-and-play resources that make implementation easier. You'll find AI caption and script generators, editable outreach templates for contacting brands, content batching and scheduling SOPs, checklists for optimizing product videos, and these aren't random PDFs. They're systems refined by creators who've already hit six figures. What students are saying. The program's reviews are extremely positive, averaging 4.97 stars out of 5 across 58 verified reviews. Here's some highlights. Morning mindset calls are a game changer. The daily coaching and real feedback made this worth way more than what they charge. This isn't another bro community, it's real people helping each other win. Many reviews come from creators who've only been inside for a month or two and are already seeing results. That's rare in this space. Pricing and membership options. At the time of recording, the six-figure creator community costs $897 for 3 months of full access. That includes all courses, daily calls, Discord access, and ongoing support. There's also an affiliate option where members can earn a 10% commission by referring new students to the program, which can offset the cost if you bring in others in. While $897 isn't cheap, it's in line with other high-touch coaching programs that offer daily mentorship. Pros of the program. Let's break down what 6FC gets right. Number 1, daily live coaching. Most programs teach theory. This one teaches in real time. The daily calls keep you accountable and fix mistakes fast. Number 2, massive community. With 6,000 plus members, you're never alone. You can find collaborators, accountability partners, and even editors within the group. Number 3, proven mentors. You're learning from creators who've already done what you're trying to do, not random marketers selling theory. 4, exclusive brand access. Direct partnerships and higher commission opportunities can speed up your earnings. 5, plug and play systems. AI tools, SOPs, and templates remove a lot of the guesswork. 6, high energy culture. The competitions, mindset calls, and leaderboards make it surprisingly fun to show up daily. On to the cons of the program. So to keep it fair, here are the downsides to keep in mind. Number 1, you still need a platform. You'll need at least 1,000 TikTok followers to apply for the Shop Affiliate program. The course helps you get there, but it's not instant. 2, time commitment. Daily calls means daily effort. If you're not ready to stay consistent, you won't see results. 3, TikTok centric. This program focuses heavily on TikTok. If you prefer YouTube or blogging or Instagram, the strategies might not directly translate. 4, price. At $897 per quarter, it's an investment, though it's clear that the team delivers hands-on support for that price. 5, market saturation. TikTok shop affiliates are booming right now, which means more competition. Creativity and consistency are key to standing out. So who is this program for? The six-figure creator program is perfect for creators who love short-form content and social media. People who want to monetize TikTok but need structure and accountability. Entrepreneurs who thrive in community settings and want live feedback. Beginners who don't want to waste months figuring out the algorithm alone. If you're shy on camera or you prefer building a long-form, behind-the-scenes businesses, it might not be the best fit for you. But for people ready to show up daily and follow a proven system, it's an accelerator. Building a six-figure business without the program. So if you're not ready to invest, here's what you need to replicate manually. Learn the TikTok shop system through trial and error. Study viral content patterns and test hooks until one hits. Find products and negotiate with sellers for free samples. Build your content calendar and post consistently. Track performance metrics and refine over time. It's doable, but the 6FC program basically condenses that process into a clear, guided roadmap. So is the six-figure creator program worth it? If you want to build a TikTok-based affiliate income stream and thrive with daily feedback, yeah, it's one of the most complete and active programs in this niche. But it's not magic. You'll still need to put in consistent effort, create content daily, and stay patient as results compound. So if you treat it like a real business, then there's serious potential here. If you prefer to go solo, you can still learn everything online. It'll just take longer and require a lot more trial and error. If you want to check out the six-figure creator program or any other courses that we mention, you'll find links for them down below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And it really helps support the channel and lets us keep creating content for free like this. So we thank you so much in advance if you end up using them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we give honest takes on business programs. No hype, no fluff, just what actually works. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.